Does Jamaica crime fighting strategies lack execution? Part 1. Is Constable Smart, Jamaica's crime fighting tech doing enough? Certainly, we have made some positive movements, but is it enough to justify the technologies we have at our fingertips? Welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica, revamped, recharged, and delivered with a touch of humor. Today we're talking about something so high-tech, yet somehow still low-speed, Jamaica's crime-fighting gadgets versus actual results. So before we plug into the matrix, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. The heck is here. So why the thief still at large? Let's start with the good news. Jamaica now has Constable Smart, an AI officer that can take reports 24/7, speak fluent patois, scan license plates, and probably tell you how to make real Saturday soup. We're stepping into the AI enforcement age, which means we should finally be solving crimes like they do on CSI. Right? Wrong. Because although we're flashing Iron Man-level tech, criminals still moving like Roadrunner, and the law? Still catching up, like it's late for work with no taxi in sight. Can Jamaica solve 90% of crimes? You'd be surprised, but the answer is yes, technically. Across the globe, law enforcement is using facial and voice recognition, smart camera tracking, phone triangulation and digital behavior mapping, drones patrolling no-camera zones, AI databases that recognize your voice, even if you change phones. These aren't Marvel fantasies. They're real. In fact, your phone probably knows more about you than your closest family member. So if a scammer switches phones but keeps talking like himself, AI can clock that. So what's the holdup then? Well, let's hand out a little report card for the Jamaican government's crime-fighting campaign. Vision and innovation, B+. They're thinking big. Constable Smart is no small feat props where props are due. Implementation, C. We have the tools, but are they turned on? Calibrated? Staff trained to use them? Or are we just posing beside the tech for photo ops? Follow-through and consistency. Progress without follow-through is like mixing concrete and forgetting to pour it. Public trust. Jamaicans not care how many gadgets are installed. They want to see justice served. Until then, it's all just talk, and trust stays low like a discount shelf at Megamart. We're living in a time when anything is possible with tech. You can create fake people, fake voices, and even fake WhatsApp messages. So surely we can catch a real criminal or two, right? But until Jamaica moves beyond press briefings and into consistent, connected action, we'll keep hearing about Constable Smart, while still calling the local Don to recover a stolen phone. Stay tuned for part 2, where we go deeper into the disconnect, the bureaucracy, and the question on everyone's lips. If we're so advanced, why can't we sleep with our doors open like in a D80s? That's it for part 1 of today's Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.